Can't wait to show you what I'm going to do with this egg. I'm one of the project managers for Integrity Roofing and Painting, and I'm going to go do an inspection on this roof. It's very important to make sure your ladder's secure, and we'll just do that with a bungee cord. First thing I want to do is check for drip edge and also see what we have under here for felt. Looks like we have a couple layers of felt and we have CDX plywood. And it looks like 15-pound felt. Also grab the shingle gauge while we're here. This is the size hail damage that we're finding up here today when I was out here doing this roof inspection. I'm here inspecting this roof, and I'm going to go ahead and mark out roughly a 10 by 10 area. I'm here inspecting inside this 10 by 10 area that I drew out for you. And right here we have a good spot where the hail has impacted the shingle and crushed the fiberglass mat behind it. And I'll just go ahead and circle that so you guys can see it easier on the video. Alright, I want to show you guys underneath here that and feel for myself that I believe that this right here is crushed. And yeah, you can see right here, this section of the shingle is all crushed. It's really soft right there where the hail stone came down and bruised the shingle. I can feel underneath this shingle here where the fiberglass mat was broken when that hailstone impacted it. I've discovered 19 hail hits already in this 10 by 10 area. This is the west side of the roof, and there's 19 hail hits. Historically, the insurance companies that we've worked for, 19 hail hits in a 10 by 10 area is enough hail for them to come out here and recommend a full replacement of this roof. Also, while I was on this roof doing an inspection, I also came upon this 3-in-1 pipe jack, and it is completely all rotted and cracked. This right here is where you're going to have leaks on the roof. This desperately needs to be replaced. I told you earlier there was something I was going to show you with this egg. You can see by the size of this hail hit on the shingle, that was some large hail.